Woohoo! Yes?
Hey, glad I got your attention. Just letting you know, you can quit your day job now. You know what? I'll put in your 2 weeks for you right now.
No, you are not going to do that.
Hey, don't worry about it, okay? I picked up day trading. I made $100 in 2 minutes. All we have to do is repeat that day after day after day, and we'll be rich. Homie, we'll be rich.
Yeah, definitely not quitting my job. And you know what? I might actually apply for a couple more. Tell me this. Name one successful day trader.
Can you hand me a mirror? Because you're looking at him, dog.
Okay, let me rephrase that so maybe you can understand it.
That's offensive.
Name one successful day trader that's been successful in the long term.
That's not important. And you know what? Why not us? We'll go down in the history books, okay? There'll be George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and then Payton Kaleiwahea, the most famous day trader in the world.
You do understand those are presidents of the United States and they fought for our freedom?
I'm just saying, we can fight for our financial freedom.
I just don't know.
You know what? That negativity dial that's just cranked to the highest setting in you, can you just turn it down just a few notches and be a little supportive? And you know what? First of all, if you're all big on long-term traders, name one successful long-term trader.
Okay, they're called investors, not traders. And Warren Buffett, Charles Munger, Peter Lynch, Ray Dalio, Kathy Wood, and our mentor, Chris Haroon.
Okay, I just said one. I just said name one.
Hey, what is up, fam? It's your boy Pate. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys did enjoy it, please like, subscribe, comment down below. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate you. So let's get into today's topic, which is day trading versus long-term investing. And you know, before I get started, I don't even want to say that I'm completely against trading. Sometimes it's really fun. You know, I'm just saying that you shouldn't commit like a full-time job to it, or you shouldn't trade your rent money for it. I liken it to going to like Chuck E. Cheese or Dave & Buster's. Like you go in there to have fun and to play, but you'll never, and I say never, go in there and make a living off of winning prizes in the back. It's just there's too much luck to it. There's so many things that can happen in a short amount of time. And you can't ever predict that. All right, which brings me to long-term investing, which long-term investing is amazing because all you get to do is buy and hold. And it's very passive. So let's just take the S&P 500, for example, which is the top 500 companies, and let's track back them into the past 50 years. Their annual percentage, if you held for the past 50 years, regardless of the major catastrophes, the depression, COVID-19, you would have had an annual percentage rate of 10%. 30 years, same, 10%. And if you did it for the past 10 years, you would have had an annual percentage increase of your assets of 14%. I'm telling you right now, when it comes to buying and holding, it is one of the most lucrative ways that you can make money passively. And that is really amazing. And if you're new to investing, I would highly suggest you either do a stock simulation way before you actually buy a single stock, or you look into index funds or mutual funds, which kind of diversifies and has somebody that is a financial advisor, which I am not, behind them to be able to move assets around for you, or the index fund balances specific things using like machine learning and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I suggest, and that's why I think long-term investing always wins out over day trading. You can never time the market. So just buying and holding is always a safer bet. All right, let's get into point number 3. Point number 3 is you're not going to be perfect. Sometimes you're going to want to trade, and that's just the matter of life. Sometimes as millennials or as younger traders, we have never done it before. We just kind of want to get in. And sometimes that's just the best way to do. You learn by just falling flat on your face, but I'm just telling you, get back up and you can learn other things. Like for me, I've made many mistakes in like trading or doing options or making a bad call. And you know what? I get back up and I've learned from that. The worst thing that you can do is just stay down or not learn from your mistakes. So I've been learning that, hey, you know, maybe buying and holding over the long run might be smarter. Wow, Peyton. Good thinking. All right, last thing before I get going is I want to mention something here, and he doesn't know that I'm going to do this, but Chris Haroon has been mentoring me for the past month or so, and I have seen tremendous results. And I just want to kind of give back to him because he's been pouring so much into me and believing into me. And really, you know, you just need somebody in life that just believes in you. And I'm that for somebody, but Chris is that for me. He's been telling me that I'm going to be 1 million subscribers, and looking down at the subscriber base and having 200 subscribers, I can't even believe it. But he's been starting to make me. And so what he does is he revolutionizes education. And I'm not going to get a kickback for this. I don't even have an affiliate link. And I'll put down his link to his website and you can check him out himself. But I've had tremendous results in learning from him. I've learned balance statements. I've learned income statements. I've learned cash flow balance sheets. Okay, I'm not that best of a student, but whatever. Okay, he is just an amazing, amazing mentor, and he believes in his students, and he'll run through walls for them. And he always says, bet on the jockey over the horse. And if he was a company that I could invest in, I would definitely put a lot of my net worth in his company. Okay, he's amazing. I'll link down below. Check out his program for MBA or any of his Udemy courses. They're honestly fantastic. And if you need any more convincing, please DM me. Because if you're interested in like creating a business or, you know, just MBA in general, but you don't want to pay the MBA prices, check this out. Okay? As always, I love you guys. Believe in you. Peace.